Uh, Today, what I'm going to speak is on foreign inspiration with with relation to Hindutva cause. Uh, Savarkar, Veer Savarkar, who wrote Hindutva, was inspired by a foreign thinker, Italian thinker, Mazzini. So, M.N. Roy, a Hindu communist, was inspired by Karl Marx. Nehru was inspired by socialism happening around the world in foreign countries. Uh, Mahatma Gandhi was inspired by Russian thinker Leo Tolstoy, works of Leo Tolstoy. So these were all Hindus who were inspired by foreign ideas or foreign ideas or like for example, Nehru was inspired by socialist world, socialist world, socialist world, that is the European socialist world. Savarkar was inspired by Mazzini, uh, Italian thinker. So then we had foreigners like Annie Besant and Sister Nivedita, who inspired many Indians or many Hindus in the cause of Hindu nationalism. So if there can be foreign inspiration, why can't there be Hindus who are inspired by foreign personalities like Prophet Muhammad or foreign books like Quran? I don't think so that it should be any problem. If Why can't Hindus who are be inspired by Bible or for that matter Jesus Christ also, though they are foreign? So foreign thing uh, is not a problem. What is problem is foreign inspiration is not a problem, but the loyalty towards the civilization aspect of India should not be compromised, which is again Hindutva or Bharatiyata. So we should see that foreign and inspiration should be used to enrich the civilization aspect of Bharat, that is Hindutva. Foreign inspiration, foreign ideas, foreign way of life, if it can be used to enrich the Hindutva cause or the civilization aspect of Bharat, then it is it is good. But it should not be a hurdle. It should Foreign inspiration should not be a hurdle. It should not be a problematic thing that which creates a nuisance to the civilization aspect of Bharat, that is Hindutva. So basically, this is what I wanted to say. So foreign is not a problem. Only it should enrich Hindutva cause. It should not be a hurdle to the Hindutva cause. This is what I wanted to say. Thank you very much.